Hi everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here to walk around this 2017 Q60 Premium with you. The point of our walk arounds is transparency, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Q60, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view the original window sticker, a free CARFAX report, grab some financing options, or a quote to ship the Infiniti anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Q60. So let's go ahead and start that walk around. All right, we are walking around the Q60, and as you can see, there's great tread on the tires. There are some love bug marks and chips on the hood. Once you step back, they lighten up quite a bit. They are extremely minor, but to fix them, we would have had to paint the hood, which would have driven up the price of the car. So we decided to leave it a little less expensive for you. But as you can see, the rest of the vehicle, clear coat is in beautiful condition. There's no heavy scratches. There's no dents or dings. She's been well taken care of. This car does have 63,000 miles on it. And it's been around for 5 years, going to be 6. That being said, it's in well above average condition. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, to show you what may not show up in our photos, there is some minor wear on that inside bolster on the passenger seat. To show you this side of the visors, sunshade, and the headliner, which all of those are in like new condition. And then the top of the dash. But if you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition, please give Jennifer a call. Her name and number should be located at the top of your screen.